A YouTube channel called Dashcam captures a creepy incident where an older woman stands motionless in the middle of the road, forcing the driver to swerve. She doesn't acknowledge the car and her face is never seen. A large truck in Russia swerves to avoid an invisible object, and then a pedestrian mysteriously appears from behind the truck, walking away calmly, suggesting a possible ghost. A driver encounters a man pushing a baby stroller in the middle of a dark road at night. The man then starts running towards the car, forcing the driver to reverse quickly to escape. An Uber driver and his passengers are aggressively stopped by another driver who orders the Uber driver out of his car. The Uber driver wisely drives away and calls the police, leading to the other driver's arrest for driving under the influence. A car full of friends in Russia encounters a figure dressed in all black standing alone on a quiet city street. Upon a second pass, the figure faces them, appearing menacing and lacking discernible facial features, leading to speculation of it being a spirit or shadow person. A dash-cam video from Vietnam shows a figure dressed in white standing in the middle of a dark road. While many online believed it to be a ghost, news agencies identified her as a mentally unwell woman possibly attempting suicide. A dash cam captures a figure appearing suddenly on a dark, empty highway, seemingly hitchhiking at 2 a.m. The narrator questions if it's a ghost or a person with a bad wish. A dash cam records a blurry figure of a girl in a white dress, from the waist up, slipping under the car. The narrator suggests it could be the ghost of someone who tragically lost their life at that location. A YouTuber driving on Route 666 in Ohio at night records two glowing eyes on the left side of the road, leading to speculation about supernatural entities given the road's reputation. Philippine model and actress Myrtle Sarosa and her crew encounter a small, phantom-like figure in the street while navigating unlit back roads in eastern Samar. Their tour guide identifies it as a child ghost, common in the area due to a past typhoon.